This is how to install and configure Lighttpd web server. First, you need to search download Lighttpd. Type here Lighttpd download and search. And click any web to download server. After that, you need to choose the current stable Lighttpd for your window. Second, let's get to search PHP server. Type PHP download and search. Next, click any web to download PHP server. After that, you need to choose the current stable PHP for your window. Beside that, you have to choose the package. We choose it because everything is complete. And we should create folder Lighttpd. Create folder PHP 7. After install Lighttpd, we need to search localhost at Google. Also, we download is correct. We must search on Google localhost or server status for check the status Lighttpd. Next, we need search on Google localhost for check the config Lighttpd. Lastly, we cannot connect Lighttpd with PHP, so we cannot show the last result. Thank you.